I'm Sue Hicks. I am the Director of Clinical Services at Summit Hyperbarics and Wellness. I am a certified alcohol and drug counselor and a licensed clinical social worker. So we see first responders and veterans. So oftentimes we will see post-traumatic stress disorder and depression. Also, head injuries are a common situation, especially with Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom. Yeah, the barriers I think with these two populations are the very populations themselves, and what I mean by that is that the military teaches you to pick yourself up by your bootstraps, and so does being a first responder. That's why they work so well at what they do. So to them, to come to see somebody like me can connote failure, but I am of the complete opposite opinion. I believe that when people reach out for help, that's where the real strength starts. It takes a lot of strength to want to work on yourself and to actually connect with things like your feelings or your thoughts that you need to change. A lot of times people also might have some substance use disorder kind of things that they don't want to really address. But again, if they would start addressing it, we would see a huge increase in their ability to have an improved life and have better quality of life. So my approach to therapy that I have here is a combination of somatic or body type applications that we work with, as well as psychological. And then the hyperbaric treatment also is very much a physical application, but we will also want to be looking at people's reactions, because in a lot of cases we have seen people hit somewhere about mid-protocol where they will start getting more traumatic memories that come up during the dives. And so our team wants to be accessible so we can process through that, and we're on site to do that. I believe that Summit Hyperbarics is premier because, first of all, it's an absolutely stunning facility. It's one of the larger hyperbaric chambers that there is, and it was specially designed for us. Our team is very specifically trained. We have our doc has been a combat veteran. Our leader over the chambers is a retired naval dive officer. I have 15 years experience with combat veterans at the VA. Our psychologist is well versed in research. So the best way for you to get access to Summit Hyperbarics and Wellness is to sign up through the Mission 43 website on a specific part called the Operation Resilient Path. Then the director of the Operation Resilient Path program will reach out to you and get everything lined up.